Spika od bura mar Seneta Amason Kingi okone oganda jo Kenya mondo mi othegre chuth gi josiasa gi jotelo moko ma nyayo kwede mag dhoudi e kinde ma sirikal chwalo chenro mag dongruok ne jopiny. Kanolose kinde mano yore nyasi mar alam kod solo mar omende kanisa mar Kopere Mandhiwa e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Kingi okone jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo kik chik ite ne josiasa ma kamago. Senators moko ma bende noyuoro e kinde nyasi no kotelnegi kod Senator ma Homa Bay Moses Kajwang' bende nokwedo josiasa moko ma giwacho ni nitiere kod nyiego kaluwore gi chenro mag dongruok ma piny owacho ma malo sane chwalo e counties ma Kaluo.
Time is now for this country to go through a narrow gate. And I want to confirm to you that what Mheshimiwa William Ruto, our president, is doing is to take through this country on that narrow gate so that we become what God intended this country to be. But for equity, kula mkate moja, huu mwingine peana watu wa Nyanza na wakule. Kuna ubaya hapo. Lakini kwa sababu tumezoea kula mikate miwili, ndio maana tunapiga makelele hivi leo. Kwamba kwa nini mikate yetu miwili inaenda?
The people of Kisumu, the people of Homa Bay, we are taxpayers, we are citizens of this country, and when development comes to Homa Bay, we are not taking somebody else's share. That is just our share of taxes that we pay in this republic. Kwa hivyo watafute yao. They let them go and ask for their share. We have not taken anybody's share.
In this country, there are leaders who are propagating exclusion. This is a person who was given an opportunity to be the deputy president of this republic. What did he say? The Luo land was not his shares.